Here is how to set your Steam profile to private. Save this video for later because you'll never know when you'll need to do this. I will show you how to set your Steam profile to private in this quick Steam tutorial. My profile type right now is set on public, which basically means everyone who visits my profile page, including strangers and people from my friend list, can see the stuff I own, including the games, inventory items, achievements, hours spent in games, and so on. And if you want to set your profile type to private, nobody can view your stuff anymore, not even your friends. And to set your profile to private, you'll need to reach your profile, I mean your Steam profile page, then press on edit profile from here in the top right hand corner. And once you are in the settings of Steam, we don't care about those, we are at general. You'll have to press on privacy settings, and right here you can locate my profile, and as you can see it's on public. I can choose from here friends only, which means if I set that, only my friends will be able to see all those details, and also down below you'll have private. And if you choose private from down below, not even your friends will be able to see all those details. And as you can see now, all my game details, friend list and inventory are set on private. So this is how to set a private Steam profile.